Okay guys, it's all go here. It's all here go at the shed head. This is something you haven't seen. This is something I don't think many people have seen unless they go back to 1976 when they were young. And I wanted one of these so bad I could taste it. You know what it is, don't you? But what's unusual about this particular baby is this. Because it's a UK supplied Fantic Cabellero with pedals. That weird. This was £500 in 1976. And I love the throttle cable. I just wanted one. And my mother couldn't afford to buy me one. She said I haven't got the money, so I never got one. And then years later, I bought that in Italy for I think €200. I spent £1,500 getting it back here by driving all the way to Verona. Really good fun, absolute great time. And the guy lied slightly. He said it ran. It does run, but it's very harsh. Bottom end's harsh, which is really annoying because I've only ever ridden it once and it's broke the chain. Well, I bought a brand new chain. It's a very strange pitch chain. Got it all up in the top shed. We're now going to have a bit of a sort of sort through. Because Marcos Imelda's coming out, she's going up into the storage for some reason, because they're now harassing me to do something else. So this had to come out, and so I decided to bring it down here. And I thought maybe I don't know, maybe I should just do something with it, because she is a lovely old girl. And to be honest, I mean, come on, it's lovely, isn't it? I mean, you can't tell me it isn't. When you were 16, you could get one of those. You was almost got a motocross bike when everybody was going around their fizzers. Yeah, well, shame I had to wait. Oh God, was I? I don't know how many years. How many years have I had it? 20? Jesus Christ. Anyway, so we won't go down the road. But, so basically, this is just an update video of rubbish. What we're doing is we're going to get the Marcos out. We're going to put the set Marcos in a new location for the movement. The reason is that I don't know. We've got no room for cars and we've got no spaces. So that's the story of the Fantic. We're going to go and we're going to have a little walk up here. And you might see something else that you've probably never seen, so I'll shut you off for now. This is another little video of our, this is all the old Fantic stuff, all the Fantic choppers that are around here. I've got 3 of those things somewhere. I'd love to ride one of those as well, but so, at the moment, this is a shed you haven't been in. They haven't been in here, have they? No. Briefly. Well, you briefly came in here. This is one of the old Triumphs. Yeah. Oh God! Anyway, up down the road. Right, but that's a Triumph, and it's no Triumph, is it? And this is a chassis for a Marcos. And this chassis has been powder coated, lovely, all singing, all dancing, and it's heavy. So I need to hand this camera over to someone else. Come on, are you to me? It's actually still filming. So if you want to film us, while we try and extract it.
What are we trying to extract?
Yeah, try to go. It's not that heavy.
What are we going to do? We're going to tip it?
I'll put it there with the golf bonnet prop. What do you want to do?
Do you want to bring it out?
Yeah, look, but just watch the door. Okay, no, don't get your phone to go with me. You can help it. Okay, so you turn around?
I can.
Go on. Oh, heavy, heavy, heavy. She ain't heavy. She's my chassis. Oh. Bloody hell, dear. Anyway, so there you go. That's a TVR 1600M chassis. It's well been powder coated and is all ready to go. Any problem with it? What's the problem with it? If we put it together, we got nowhere for it to go. I'm really worried about my box of parts. I might have to try and drag it inside in panic. But anyway, so we've got a few ideas. We have a few ideas. What are our ideas? That's all my stuff. There's my new chain. Can you hear it? My new chain. There's my hand. There's the old one that broke. Oh dear, oh dear. Anyway, that's all the Cabellero stuff. Right, and so what you're he's got to move his car, so we'll have to go down and move the car. Right, so. I can't get out! I can't get out at all! It's too big! Jesus bloody Christ! Too big. Oh, so who said it wouldn't drive? Look at that for a maiden driven. Jet. Imelda has made the shed. She drove beautiful. She obviously there's no water in her because I never refilled the water tank, so I'm glad I didn't actually, because obviously it would have been a bit one of those, but that wasn't bad. Alright, noisy, very noisy, really noisy, in fact really, really noisy. But on the whole, aren't you impressed? Were you not impressed when you saw her slick gently into gear, drive slowly up here? Yeah, shame. You know what's going to happen now, don't you? It's going in here, crap piled on it, never come out again. Lot 173. Quantity of used Marcos parts. Small, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Obviously, then that's going to go on top of it, hopefully. Oh, God. And all my boxes can go around it, because then the bike can come back up here, hopefully. If we can get it back up. And then we'll see. Alright, okay, so like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram.